help you? Here, open it up. There you go. What's in there? Oh, what's in it? You gotta get him out. What's in there? It looks like something brown. Move your butt out of this picture. Oh my goodness. What is it? Yeah, Bumblebee Mouse. Oh! Tell him it, Bumblebee Flossie. You better get out him paper. That's for you. Merry Christmas, Aussie Boom! Yay! That is cool. Here, get up on the tree, Bubby. Here, Bubby got one too, look. Here, come here. Let's see yours. Let's see Bubby's. Look. There's Bubby's, guys. Here, get back out here.